Welcome to solverfy.
All right, so for this question, we're kind of identifying the functional group based on a short description that they give us. So the first one, right, A, they describe a polar group that has only single bonds, but does not include oxygen or nitrogen. So one potential solution is just a thiol, right? Thiol being just R and then SH. Now this fits the criteria because, like you can see, it only has a single bond, but the sulfur is more electronegative than any carbon is going to be, so you're going to form a dipole around the sulfur, similar to like you would with just an alcohol. All right, so for part B, we're describing a group that is polar and contain triple bonds. So the first thing that springs to mind for me is a nitrile, where I have N triple bonded to a carbon, which is then bonded to an R group. Now, obviously, this is polar because the nitrogen being very electronegative and having that triple bond forms a dipole. All right, and then lastly, we have this one where we have a group that has a double bond, but it needs to terminate the carbon chain. So it needs to be at the very, very end. And one thing you could write is you could include an aldehyde. And the reason is that the aldehyde needs to be at the end of the carbon chain because it has to have just that single hydrogen there. Obviously, you can't have the carboxyl group in the middle, otherwise it'd be a ketone, not an aldehyde. So I guess I should probably write aldehyde. All right.